Do you have an error preventing the SiloedPackageProvider DLL from loading? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the issue and have the verified solution to fix your system today. As we get into the manual process for Siloed Package Provider, you can find a professional maintenance utility for environment stability. This is the Siloed Package Provider, a core module for Windows Server containers and siloed application packages. It manages the unmanaged resource isolation and file system redirection required to run applications in a restricted virtualized sandbox, mandatory for the stability of modern localized containerized apps. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. Siloed Package Provider is maintained by Windows itself. Run the system file checker by typing sfc/scan now in an elevated command prompt to detect and repair system-level file issues. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Siloed Package Provider. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. Since the restart failed to map the file path, we're going to manually point Windows to this specific database tool. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, manual registration is required to link the file to the Windows registry hive. Without this pointer, the application cannot bridge the connection to the library. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Most individual downloads of SiloedPackageProvider DLL are not digitally signed, meaning they haven't been verified for safety by the original software developer. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. The diagnostic utility referenced below offers general information for managing Siloed Package Provider and maintaining system health. Thank you for trusting us with Siloed Package Provider Repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.